Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank a lot of you guys for subscribing to the channel. About a month, maybe a month and a half ago, we were at 75, now we're at 230. So I want to thank you guys, that really means a lot. And it kind of motivates me more on getting some high quality content. So in this video, we're going to head over to Euromotive Performance. And if you saw my last two other videos ago, I have new wheels on the car. I had the Z Performance wheels, ZP.09s. And they look great in the car. There's a slight wheel gap in the front, and I'll insert a photo right over here of exactly what it looks like. Currently I have the KW Haas kit, which is the height adjustment spring kit. So this allows me to lower or raise my car, which I'm not gonna raise it up, I'm just gonna go lower. So on the next shot, we'll see you at the shop. So I'm actually here, and Miguel's actually here too, and we're at Euromotive. And we're gonna dial in the ride height, because I'm not really happy with the ride height right now.
So you're at 2.5
inches from the fender.
From the top of the wheel to the bottom of the fender.
Okay. Was that a half inch or is that a full inch from here? So, a little less than a full inch, right?
So this is 2, you see where the half mark is?
Yeah.
That's kind of where you're at right now, 2.5. So if you were to bring it down to 2.25, you're gonna be right on top of the wheel.
That's what I want too.
Yeah. So I would say 2.25 is probably be the best option for you. So then after we do those, then we can dial in the rears. But over here, you're out 2.25.
If I can't get access to it, then yeah, you gotta take the wheels off.
Take the wheels off. Which one are you doing first?
I'll do the front.
The front driver's side?
Yeah.
Alright, so the front driver's side, we measured it. It was 2 5/8.
2 5/8?
And we want to get it down to 2.
2. Okay.
Yeah, actually, there's a decent amount to lower on there.
Yeah. I'm gonna get that wrench and mark it and do my turns. Mark it right.
So what are you marking it?
I'm usually going to count how much turns it takes to actually lower it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so that's one way to do it. So just, I'm going to try to pull down on the front.
Yeah.
Because it has to settle.
Yeah, of course.
And
so you're gonna drop the car down now, see how it looks?
Yeah, we're gonna bring it down, and you can measure that side and see where it's at.
Yeah, it's settled down a little bit.
Yeah, see, so we need to, I need to go down some more.
Okay. How many turns was that?
That was like 3. Like yeah, I use a filler gauge to measure the height. Yeah, so
it's pretty much even.
Exactly, correct.
That's down to like the millimeter.
Yeah, exactly. You really can't go wrong with that.
All right, so after adjustments, we realized that we're just gonna slam the front now. So we took the car off the ramp, put it on level ground, realized that the front's still a little bit high compared to the rear. So he gave me the bright idea, just slam into the bottom. So it's easy for Mullen to do right now. It's not a big deal.
So definitely driving habits will need to change because the car is as low as it can go.
Yeah.
And what you want to be concerned about is the front lip, especially when you're going into driveways or if there are road hazards around.
Yeah, because I've had a lowered car before. I've had a lowered car to my Subaru way back in the day. But buying BMW parts, they're expensive, so I don't want to wreck them. I don't want to, you know, break them. So I'll take precautions on that.
It should be good. It's gonna look a lot nicer. I'll tell you that much. It's gonna look a lot nicer.
Well, it was looking ugly before.
When you have an air gap, it kind of looks funny.
There was.
So once it's nice and low, and you get rid of that air gap between the tire and the wheel well, it just gives it a totally different look of the car.
Guys, we are done at the shop. Right now we're in downtown Fort Lauderdale. This is one of my favorite spots to take photos at. This is right by the industrial park. So behind me is the final ride height of the M3. So let's just check it out.